Welcome. This is Sheri Traxler with Vireo Life, author of Go Forward 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. I've got a little tip to help us with the holiday stress, and that is 3 spaces. I don't mean take up 3 spaces in the parking lot when you're doing your Christmas shopping. I do mean 3 spaces in your life. One is space just for you. Every day, space for you to have time alone in your schedule. Nothing else pressing, just to breathe and to reflect and reprioritize, reset yourself, even if it's just for 5 minutes. 2 space, and that is space for you and one other person. And that is that time to be intimate. That is that time to talk about memories, to talk about the holidays, to share whatever stressful things may be going on, whatever joyful things may be going on, so that you're really deeply connected to someone every day. And 3rd space is space for you and 2 or more people. So it's 3 or more people at one time. This can even be just at your day-to-day work, but so you have time that you are around a group of people on a daily basis. So during these holidays, don't neglect that balance of time for you to be intimate with one other person, and time for you to be in a group of people, whether it's work or a party, every day. Thanks so much. Hope that this helps. Remember to subscribe so that you can be the first to receive our new videos. And until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.